SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which especially is genuinely critical. SLP really faces opposition at $0, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Smooth Love Elixir explicitly is buy and esteemed at $0. Backing for the truly bears in a real sense has been laid out at $0 the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will all things consider. Walk you through beautiful Smooth Love mixture cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these oftentimes for the most part gotten clarification on pressing issues. What truly is by and large transient cost expectation for genuinely Smooth Love Elixir? Generally is SLP a very wise speculation, or so they especially thought. Smooth Love Elixir support and opposition levels and so forth incredibly. Yet, prior to jumping truly profound into the SLP specialized examination, by and large let us for the most part discuss the in every way that really matters, current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge, market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There sort of was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $150,973,041,636, or so they certainly thought. The especially complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $33,001,951,281, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,583.31 level after a decay of 1.84% in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value lessening of 1.15%, coming to $1,887.89 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $310.90, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping certainly profound into the SLP specialized examination, explicitly led us by and large discussion about the for the most part current economic situations, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at 49 cents, which generally is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market certainly is going in an especially descending bearing for pretty present moment, or so they generally thought. As of now, a really broad, especially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how moreover Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Elixir backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, most certainly is up by 0.98 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. Fundamentally, in spite of prevalent thinking, support for the most part is a level at which purchasers basically become essentially something else in every practical sense. Dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, generally is up by 0.98 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in a really significant manner. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which dealers explicitly become moved pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours. There fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,150,973,041,636, which truly is very critical. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally Smooth Love mixture, most certainly Smooth Love Elixir execution. The everyday diagram of fundamentally Smooth Love mixture truly shows that the SLP cost truly has a by large descending development with a 1.18% decline in beautiful beyond 24 hours. So these occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending heading for certainly present moment, which truly is very huge. The value worth of the especially Smooth Love Elixir coin in every way that really matters is remaining at $0, market capitalization $137,276,313 USD in an unpretentious manner. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume really is drifting around $10,395,115 USD in every practical sense, enormous way. Smooth Love Mixture Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for the 29th of May 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period especially made sense of underneath in a significant manner. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving certainly normal intermingling and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving truly normal and outstanding moving extremely normal to really investigate the future development of the fundamentally smooth love elixir, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The fundamentally relative strength record demonstrates that the SLP coin by and large is close oversold zone, as RSI basically is at 34. So Smooth Love Mixture generally is as of now esteemed at $0 backing for the in a real sense bears sort of has been laid out at $0 the 29th of May 2023. In this video we will all things consider walk you through especially Smooth Love Elixir cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things. What especially is truly momentary cost expectation for exceptionally Smooth Love Mixture, most certainly is SLP a sort of wise interest in a truly significant manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense. Signal line after a hybrid, showing that exceptionally Smooth Love Elixir Value Examination SLP Cost Investigation for the 29th of May 2023 inside an all things considered day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love Mixture financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day graph, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%. Which in every way that really matters, is very critical. While SLP's Williams percent R pointer explicitly is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign explicitly is genuinely conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that following truly are the help and obstruction levels of sort of Smooth Love Mixture by and large Smooth Love Elixir execution. The truly day-to-day diagram of especially Smooth Love Mixture basically shows that the SLP cost for the most part has a for the most part descending development with a 1.18% diminishing and kind of beyond 24 hours. So these occasions truly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a truly descending course for kind of present moment. Extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. As per the regular turn, the critical quick opposition for SLP may explicitly be generally found at $0. By and large followed by $0, exhibiting how as of now, a truly broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels sort of were situated at $0 afterwards $0, showing how Bitcoin shares 46.48% of the entry market while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they truly thought. And there essentially had been an exceptionally regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will generally go on as commonly lengthy as it sort of stays in the rosy region, which fundamentally shows that meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels is